If you're shopping on the internet for a product that you know is readily available, and you see it here for $12, and you see it here for $11.80, if you're like me, I'm going for the $11.80. I want to save money. But sometimes there's actually more going on than it might appear, and that is most certainly true at Shabby Fabrics. We love rewarding our loyal customers. What does that mean? How can you save? Here's the great news, and many of you already know this, but many of you do not. Did you know that by simply creating a free customer account right away on your very first purchase, that you will begin to save on each and every item 3% back toward your next purchase? So let's go back to that $12 item. So let's say it is $12. How much are you going to get back in your account? A little bit of a math test for you out there. 36 cents, right? Well, we're quilters, right? We know you're not going to get a whole lot done with a yard of fabric. You need notions, you need thread, you need rotary cutters, and you can't resist those amazing kits. Every single time you shop at Shabby Fabrics, you're rewarded with 3% back toward your next purchase. So don't be fooled by the prices you see, knowing that by simply creating a free customer account, you will be rewarded every single time you shop at Shabby Fabrics. And we know that you want to shop with a company that appreciates your business and rewards your loyalty. That's exactly why we created this program. So without delay, head to the website now. There is so much inspiration. Go ahead and get that account established, check out, and enjoy saving each and every time with Shabby Fabrics.